Let's now look at some exam questions regarding assumed mean. This one is taken from a paper 6 June 2007, and it's question 1. The length of time, t minutes, taken to do the crossword in a certain newspaper was observed on 12 occasions. The results are summarized below. And here you have this data. The sum of t minus 35 equals minus 15, and the sum of t minus 35 squared equals 82.23. Calculate the mean and standard deviation of these times taken to do the crossword. You should be able to look at this and realize straight away this is a question with an assumed mean. And what is the assumed mean? It's 35. All right? Every time you have this expressed as the unknown minus something, whatever you have right after the minus is the assumed mean. All right? So you have to use the expressions for the assumed mean. Here you have all the information that is being provided. The n is on 12 occasions. Sorry, I didn't see this. All right, so 12 occasions. So n equals 12. This is the deviation, the x minus 35, which enables you to get the assumed mean, 35. The sum of the deviation, that's what you have over here. This is the sum of the deviation, and this is the sum of the deviation squared. I wrote it like that because for me, at least, it makes more sense. You can write it as you have it on the question paper. So the first thing to do is to get the mean of the deviations. I called here the new mean, which is just this divided by n. So it's minus 1.25. The true mean is going to be what? It's going to be the assumed mean plus that. So it's 35 plus minus 1.25. So this gives 33.75 minutes. That's the first thing that you want. Now you want the standard deviation. In order for you to get the standard deviation, you can use the formula just with the d's, with the deviation, and the value is the one that you're looking for. So just applying the formula, what is this? Is that n is 12. This is what you just calculated over here, squared. But plug it in a calculator and you get the value of 2.3 minutes. And it's solved and you have already 4 points. Let's look at another one. This is from the same year, but now November. It's also question 1, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, it is. And you have a total of also 4 points, but now divided into alineas. A summary of 24 observations, so n equals 24, of x, whatever x is, gave the following information. X minus a, the sum, equals minus 73.2, and the sum of x minus a squared equals 2,115. So this means what? This means that your assumed mean is a. You don't know what it is, but it is a. Instead of knowing the value of the assumed mean, you know instead the mean of these values, which is 8.95. So now you have to find the value of the constant a, the value of the assumed mean. Let's write down the information first. Here it is. Again, I put this as the sum of d and this as the sum of the d squared because it resembles more the formulas for the assumed mean as I have written down on my own version of the Math 19. So the assumed mean is a. The mean of the deviations is this divided by n, which is 24. So I have minus 3.05. I know that the true mean is the assumed mean plus that value. So I can get the value of a. That's what I'm being asked, which is the mean minus the mean of the deviations. The mean is, where is it? It's 8.95 minus this, so minus 3.05, which gives the value of 12. 12 is the assumed mean. I also want the standard deviation. I can use the values over here. For the standard deviation, it's just plugging in what you have there. So this is 2,115 and is 24. The average of the d's is minus 3.05, as we calculated before, just square it, put it on a calculator, and you have a value of 8.88 for the standard deviation.